Hello mga bishi kong plastic! Welcome sa aking mini vlog. Last day na lang na ho sa akong holiday. So, back to work na ako tomorrow. So, ang gagawin ko for today, edit ko yung mother-in-law ko. Magkuan. Kaya mag-promise ko niya na before ko mabalik sa akong trabaho, i-edit na ho siya. So, karon nagbuko og taxi. Anyway, pupunta kami sa, saan ko siya i-date is sa Redfields lang naman. So, yung Redfields is yung garden center na meron silang coffee shop. Huwat ko sa taxi and then ako siyang sundoon. Aray, kakatusong mata. So, ayan ang mga bestie. Ready na ko. So, mag-jacket sa takay tuglaw sa gawas. Ayan.
We're here in Redfields. Hello.
Just going to Redfields.
Yeah, we're having lunch. We're having lunch. Yeah, only two of us. Just the girls today.
So we have lunch first and then...
Do you want lunch first? Okay.
While we're looking round here, we can now.
Yeah, and then we look around. Anyway, welcome sa Redfields mga bestie. Mauni ang Redfields Garden Center. Hindi ito malayo sa amin kung saan kami nakatira. Ayan, nakangiti na aking mother-in-law ha. Kasi itong Redfields is isa sa favorite niyang puntahan, mag-coffee. And then, maraming halaman. Dito din siya namimili ng mga halaman. Lalo na pag summer. So maganda naman talaga dito. Lalo na pag summer, uupo ka sa labas, mag-coffee or mag-lunch. Oh my God, ang ganda. Tapos maraming flowers na nakapalibot sa'yo. So anyway, ayan, mag-ikot-ikot daw muna kami and then mag-coffee and then mag-lunch or whatever. And then mamaya, marami pa kayong makitang mga, nandun yung mga halaman, mga flowers sa labas din. Marami pa. So, parang hindi namin malibot lahat ngayon ha. Kasi, malamig kasi sa labas eh. Sa labas, maraming halaman pa doon sa pinakalabas.
Look at this one, all in one.
This, all in white.
Nice one, all in white.
Yeah.
Pearl collection.
Look at this.
Like a pearl.
It's not so heavy. No.
Not too. You need a nice place to be able to put them.
Very nice. Very pretty. Yes.
These lovely ones, these big ones.
Oh yeah.
Nice though, your dining room.
Yeah. For the garden.
You'll come and have a look over there.
Yeah. Yes, of course.
I might buy a little
That's so pretty.
you know.
Visiting the people. So now, naka-order na kami. We're waiting for our order. We're waiting for our order. At dito nagtatapos ang vlog na ito. Thank you so much for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!